let me say, let nobody worry that Mother here is a presidential candidate, Kalonzo Musyoka is presidential candidate, Rigiji is presidential candidate, Eugene Wamalwa is presidential candidate. As the Honorable Mother has put it, let everybody go and mobilize for votes. Go and sell your candidature, sell your vision, and convince Kenyans that you can be president. And then when we sit, as it has been very well explained, we want to assure the people of Kenya that we shall sacrifice. We shall make whatever sacrifices necessary for this country to make sure, under whatever circumstances, we have one presidential candidate to face William Ruto. My sister, I want to assure you, if you convince us, I'm sure you can, that you are the right person. I'll campaign for you the way I campaigned for William Ruto. Yeah? I and my supporters will rally behind you. And we will do it the way it has never been done before. And I and my supporters are ready to support anybody whom we agree is the one to face William Ruto. And I would do it very happily. I only have one disappointment in case I'm not chosen. Just one. Just one disappointment. I will miss the opportunity to face William Ruto in the presidential debate. Hiyo mtu tukikutana kwa debate, nitamkaanga, lakini that's the only disappointment I would have. But otherwise we'll be available to do what we must do. Isn't it?